Hey everybody, it's Irene with BrainStormAcres, and this morning you get to come along while I staple my door closed. It's actually December, and some years we have stapled it much sooner. This year, for whatever reason, we just didn't. I don't know. The weather was just all over the place, and we didn't feel like it was really doing the permanent winter thing, but the time has come. I'm not opening it all during the day anymore. So it's now time to just sort of shut this for a couple months. It's sprinkling today, which is like a miracle gift from God. We have had 0.01 inches of rain so far. So that means the windshields of the cars will be filthy. Everything smells wonderful, and it's dreary. So we're running a generator because we're just not going to get the solar that we need today. And that's fine, because we're going to be working inside and we're going to have lights on. So, whatever. The new solar system means that 99% of the time we don't need to run the generator, and that is awesome. We've already saved a bucket of money on not having to buy fuel. Now, when I do this, what I'm going to do is this is not regular plastic. This is a reinforced greenhouse plastic. It was a gift from Henry's mom many years ago, and it's been used and reused a million times. Still darn sturdy. It actually has like thicker threads of, I assume it's a poly. And all I'm going to do is the edge of this is folded over, and I simply am going to staple this down. It's not brain surgery. Having it rolled over like that gives a much thicker, sturdier edge. Even if I'm using crappy old plastic, I do the same thing. If I was using really thin plastic and I wanted this to be some sort of pretty darn permanent installation, I would actually use a strip of wood or metal over the top and screw it down. But since this is just a roll-up plastic door and it gets rolled and unrolled and everything else, and when it's time to take it off this spring, all I will do is take a flat blade screwdriver, get in here and pry those staples out. And that's all it is to it. I've done this to create greenhouses before, small makeshift ones. I've done it to create various types of grow boxes. This top window here is still on a solar activated, temperature activated opener. So if it gets above, I want to say 80 or 85 degrees at the top of the greenhouse, that will open. I'm currently not opening the vents at the other end of the greenhouse. The one has been closed for the winter, but could be reopened in like 10 minutes. The bottom one can easily be opened simply by taking a board away. And if we get some warm spells during the winter where we need a little bit more ventilation, that's all I'll have to do. But that's all there is to it. Trusty stapler, a PowerShot Pro, and I get nothing from PowerShot Pro, whoever makes that. But it's our stock stapler. Usually actually lives in the truck, the back of the truck, the back of our big Isuzu, because most of the time it's actually used when we go to events and we keep it with us because some of our display boards and stuff use covers that doesn't happen very often, but you want to have ways to tack things if you need it at an event. You don't want to have to run out to a hardware store, because some of those events are conveniently located within a mile of a hardware store and some of them are not. So yeah, we try and carry everything with us. Bring it all, that's what we say. The BIA theory of packing, bring it all. well, that's it. That's all I'm doing. Greenhouse is doing well. Took you on a tour the other day. It's slow in there, but the spinach is up. I think when I counted this morning, I had 21 spinach plants, which is awesome. And they're all about that big, and they look like two teeny tiny little leaves, because that's where they are right now. But that's okay. And come about January 10th, when our day length gets a little bit longer, they're going to really kick in. And I'm really looking forward to that, because we love fresh spinach. So, until then, until next time, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because super simple, but we like to share. So until next time, bye.